guys. Mas babae mong anak. Oh my God. Look, am I cooking? Look. Oh my God. Gihutoy nako. What? Okay, come. Ay. Come, let's go. Hurry up.
Stop calling.
Okay, I'm not holding you then. Ka-arty, oy. Arty ka ay si Madam Malaya. Hi, Madam. Okay, she doesn't want to be in the camera. She doesn't want also picture daw. Okay, now. Look what? Okay. Mawa. Come. Go. Okay, I'm leaving you, Malaya. Because you're being moody. Go guys, hapit na mi maabot. Yes, come, let's go. That's why we had to hurry. It's burning. Ano gas to his building. Mabaw. Malaya said it's burning. Come, because I'm cooking. Look, the building is burning. No, the building is smoking. Oh my God. Okay, okay, ka-arty, oy. Arty kay ka, ha? What?